So coming out of the strategy and design phases, we learned a lot about what our ideal tumbler would look like. In this case, the tumbler really highlighted some of our in-house capabilities: 3D printing, prototyping, molding. We were able to use all of those capabilities to work through the technical details of the tumbler directly with the manufacturer. And we ended up choosing an open handle so that we could slide this tumbler right into a backpack. And we had to do a lot of prototyping internally to validate that we could have this type of open handle, but still support the amount of weight that the tumbler would eventually have. We do have a prototype on the board here where we use this to evaluate the weight of the tumbler with our handle construction. We've included the ribs that we included in manufacturing to really validate whether this would be able to, handle the weight at different angles. So for the fill port on the tumbler, this was something that we prototyped a lot, and one of the features that we really focused on was the gasket. So the gasket is preventing the water from leaking from the fill port. I have a mold here that we made internally, and we 3D printed this. And what we did is we squish molded silicone with this and created a prototype seal that we used on a 3D printed version of the lid. We were able to validate that we wouldn't experience any leaking from the fill port with our design of the seal. This project really shows how we bridge in-house prototyping, engineering, and design with hands-on collaboration at the factory level.